this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front repeater lights on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. I'm going to take a trim tool and just at the back side of the light, you want to just push in and then pop it out. And it'll come out like that. You can see where it's clipped in there. So you're pushing in from the back and popping it out. Sometimes they don't pop out that easy. Then slide it off. That's where you can replace the bulb if you need to. You can just pull the bulb out. And it's a 194 amber bulb. Slide that back in place. Take the new light and it just pushes in. Just twist it a little bit. And you want to slide this side in first. Then it locks in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.